Yes, sir.
I think, in astronomy, probably dark energy was sort of a real game changer about 10 years ago, the discovery that the expansion of the universe is speeding up. If there's a game changer in the next 20 years, what is it?
The question is, dark energy, he said 10 years ago was like a game changer. Can I foresee any game changers on the horizon? Well, it turns out dark energy was not as much of a game changer as you might think, because we already had a slot for it in Einstein's equations. We already had a placeholder. No one had ever measured it before, so we just assumed it was zero and got on with life. The moment it was discovered, we said, hey, now we can stick it in the equation. It's like, whoa! Its presence in the equation shows that there's this force, there's this pressure operating against the action of gravity, making the universe accelerate in its expansion. And that's extraordinary, because it means the day will come where these galaxies that Hubble discovered will move away from us with such speed that they will disappear beyond our horizon, and the total known universe at that time will only be the Milky Way, restoring the state of mind of our universe that existed before 1920. That's a spooky time. We would have to hand down the annals of cosmology from previous centuries to hear about the galaxies that were once in the night sky. So game changers going forward. If we discover the dark matter particle, that'd be kind of cool. If dark energy and dark matter, because we don't know what's causing either one of them, but we measure them. So they are real in their action on the universe. We just don't know what it is. Okay? As distinct from the ether 100 years ago, we never measured it, we just assumed it was there, there was no data, it was just dark matter, dark energy, we can call it Fred and Wilma. Don't think it's matter or energy, we don't know what it is. Don't let the name fool you. I'll henceforth call it Fred and Wilma, okay? So, with Fred and Wilma, these two things, it may be a game changer. Once we figure out what it is, it's a new particle that then we can exploit to our benefit in the same way our understanding of quantum physics enabled us to exploit the behavior of atoms and nuclei to our benefit. So a new kind of physics would transform how we live.